welcome back to this session with me, Ideal Firmansyah. Well, the world became crazy. The pandemic became worse. It's so crazy. What we've done in our school, like we've done closure for everyone at the school. So it's been but 3 weeks in our school. The students did not go to the school. Teachers also, everything is closed. It's so really crazy. We cannot go everywhere. Yup. As a teacher, we also have do a remote learning to the students. So recently, I'm doing my remote learning by using giving a flip class or something like that, or giving a PD or doing a Zoom with them. Then yeah, it's so fantastic. I still can connect with them. But after that, I uploaded my video, my flip class. Like I'm recording the video and I put into my YouTube channel. Then I put some what we call teaser, that video to my Facebook, Instagram, then Twitter. Then some of my teachers' friends asked, how do you do that and how you do that? Maybe if you want to know, this is the video that I recorded recently days. So you may choose 1, 2, 3, whatever you want, you can do that. Then you listen up what I've given to my students. Alright, so today I'm not giving a material to you in this channel, but I'm going to give you tips and tricks how I made those videos. So it will help you as a teacher to create your own flip class, your own yes, I call it video. Alright, so first of all, in this case, I'm using green screen. Maybe you have already known about green screen, like we record in the green screen like this and then change into like this. Yeah, you may do that. But in this case, I'm going to tell you how I made mine by using iOS product, because I'm teaching using Apple product like iPad, MacBook or something like that. So I'm going to give you some of my way to record and also make my flip class. Alright, so first of all, I have prepared a green screen. So after I prepare a green screen, I'm going to record a thing that I'm going to explain to my students, like this. So wait. So if you remember the last explanation, the last video that I uploaded to my YouTube, this the real video with a green screen. Why? I did it with a wall, which is we painted the walls into the green one. So I recorded that. And also I did 2 recordings. So first one I recorded to my camera. This is camera. I record to the camera, and the last one I'm using screen recording, and then also using my microphone here. Then it its screen recording here. Yes. Now I'm doing this one. Right. So after I record this one and also everything I want here, so like this. So I'm going to make this green screen into a real a video that I'm going to show you. Right. So maybe you know about green screen apps in iPad or iPhone, but now I'm going to tell you very technological thing that we have in iOS product. Like we have green screen mode on iMovie. So today I'm going to show you how I made the video by using iMovie. So first of all, I'm going to go to iMovie. Right. So first of all, I like to download it first. So actually, it's really a good one for you to have this iMovie because it's free. Yeah, you don't need to pay everything else and whatever you want it. Yes, it's like free for you. But Well, after you download it, now let's open up iMovie. So this is a home-based iMovie. So we want to make a video which is a green screen, what we want. So we have to push the button plus. So because we want to make a movie, so we just click a movie. Then after that, we have to take the video that we want to make as the main screen. So the main screen will be this one. Alright, so this is the explanation that I recorded. Then after that, I want have me here. So there will be plus here. Then take a video. Then just as usual, then we put the green screen. There will be three button, dotted button, 1, 2, 3 here. So you push out this one, and then please make sure green or blue screen. Alright, let's see. Tara, there's me here. Alright, it's so easy actually, but you can do this more better in MacBook because they have very great features in MacBook, so you can do it with your MacBook. But if you don't have it, you just use your done. Happy means done. Oh, sorry, I forgot. Which sounds that you want here? For example, I want the sounds from the real video from camera, so I'm going to detach the audio from the real screen, so I'm going to delete this one. Then the voice, it's become from this. Right? Let's try. Right? So easy. Now you can also share it on the YouTube, Facebook, or everything you want. It sounds like very easy. Then everything is done. It's done. And then let's share. Save video. And then you want have HD, just choose HD. Then it's done. Just wait and save to your camera roll. Alright, so I think that's all for this tips and tricks. Yeah. I hope that you can make your own flip class by creating the video and everything that you want. Okay. I think that's all for today, and thank you for your watching, and see you on the next video.